So hey there, my name is Elroy Filimon and I made Notes on Steroids. So Notes on Steroids is a note-taking app that has three features mainly. It's the live feature, the notes feature, and the flash feature. So how does it work? Let's see. The way it works is it uses the browser's built-in speech-to-text API, and then it transcribes that text into key insights. So let's transcribe a text and let's go through it. So today we're going to be learning about Newton's law of motion. Newton's law of motion has three laws. One of the laws, Newton's first law of motion, is also called the law of inertia. So the law of inertia states that a body in rest stays at rest, and a body in constant motion stays at motion if there's no other extra force applied to it. So the next law is Newton's second law of motion. So this law of motion is called law of acceleration. Law of acceleration states that the acceleration is directly proportional to the net force, and the acceleration is also indirectly proportional to the mass of the body. So the last law of motion is Newton's third law of motion, also called action and reaction. So for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is also called action and reaction. Let's end this session and then let's analyze it. So this button is going to be used for analyzing. So it sends to the backend, and also the backend is going to send to Gemini. Our backend is living on Cloudflare. So the notes are already done. Okay, the study session reviews Newton's three laws of motion. It defines the first law, the law of inertia, stating that object resists change in motion without any extra force, and etc, etc. So it also has a tab that's called flash. I call it rapid fire because it has flashcards that you can go through and memorize your study sessions. So what it also has is it's literally Notebook LM's flashcard. So you can also download it as an Anki deck. So you can use it with your Anki application, and you can also export your notes as PDF. So because it's literally, you can use it on anything. You can even analyze it using Notebook LM. And these were the features. So when we come back to the mobile version, this is the mobile version. So it has a responsive design, it has the note editor, it has search feature, and also it has the account feature where you can change the theme, and then you can also get key insights about your notes. This was it, and thank you for giving me this chance.